I came here expecting struggle, but these people are unbelievably skilled. Guys, I actually made it. This is 30,000 BC, and there is literally nothing here except snow and endless wilderness. No roads, no cities, no electricity. This might be the quietest place I've ever seen in my entire life. It's around minus 30 degrees Celsius, and I honestly can't feel my nose anymore. I'm wearing nearly 15 layers of animal hides, and somehow I'm still freezing. I came here to escape notifications, social media, basically everything modern. All right, mission 1 starts now. Let's find somewhere to survive the night. Imagine living here every single day. This wasn't a vacation for these people. It was survival. People hunted mammoths here thousands of years before recorded history even began. Listen, absolutely nothing. No traffic, no phones, just silence. My first priority is fire. Without it, this trip ends much sooner than I planned. Nobody's talking. Every single movement has a purpose. I'm not gonna show everything. Some moments deserve respect. They're targeting one weaker animal. Every move is carefully planned. They've told me to stay here, and trust me, I'm not arguing. Morning everyone, today's the day. I'm joining an actual Ice Age mammoth hunt. Oh my goodness! Real woolly mammoths! They're even bigger than I imagined! One thing I didn't expect, everyone helps. This hunt belongs to the entire community. No shouting, no words, just hand signals. They're incredible. They've seen something. And I think we're getting close. This single hunt will feed families for weeks. Out here, survival is truly a team effort. Nothing is wasted. Meat, hide, bones, tusks, everything has a purpose. I've officially been invited to dinner. Ice Age edition. This is home tonight. Simple, warm, and honestly, pretty cozy. Before books, before writing, stories were shared like this. Morning from 30,000 years ago, and somehow, this place already feels like home. Today I survived the Ice Age, and somehow, I feel strangely at peace. I have never seen stars this bright. Whew, it's absolutely magical. Honestly, it's smoky, rich, and surprisingly delicious. We've been walking for hours, and every single part of this mammoth is coming back to camp. Survival here isn't just hunting, it's incredible teamwork. Morning here doesn't start with alarms, it starts with survival. People imagined survival, but they also created art. They wanted to be remembered. I came here expecting struggle, but these people are unbelievably skilled. These drawings are thousands of years old, and I'm standing right here with them. 30,000 years ago, this entire world looked completely different. I arrived here searching for survival, but I found something much bigger: humanity. They read the land like a map. Every footprint tells a story. I thought clothing was simple, until I learned every piece takes hours of work. This tiny piece of stone is technology here, and it keeps people alive. Modern sewing machines spoiled me, and this is incredibly difficult. They don't have much, but everything they own has meaning and purpose. Everyone contributes. Survival isn't about one person, it's about the whole group. In my world, bad weather means staying inside. Here, it can mean survival or danger. This tiny device brought me here, but these simple tools kept people alive. Tonight I realized something. Humans have always searched for connection. We made it through the night, and this ancient world is still waiting. Children here don't learn from screens. They learn directly from life. The storm is starting, and this shelter is the only thing protecting me tonight. Every step here reminds me this world existed long before cities and technology. Thousands of years ago, people still gathered around the same thing we do today, a warm fire.